Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Solana wallet address on Bitmart. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bitmart application. Once you have logged into your Bitmart account, then you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. After that, you need to tap on this add crypto button. Now from this select deposit method window, you need to choose deposit via crypto network. Click on this, and from this list of currencies you need to search for Solana in the search bar. Here you can see Solana. Simply tap on this token and it will automatically select your network Solana, and always make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose your funds. After that, here you can see your Solana deposit address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly, and you can also share this address by tapping on this share address button. And that's it. Now you know how to find Solana wallet address on Bitmart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like that video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.